can see so much with this shader, but we can't see everything we need to know, and we can't be sure what we're looking at. Incidentally, if I was going to rebuild this model from a basic concept model to something with a higher standard, I would get the curvature flowing through here a lot more smoothly, and also I'd get this curvature through the body side or the sidewall much more even, like a railway curve or a sweep, because it's an inconsistent curvature, and that follows all the way around the back of the car and makes it difficult to create a blend, which is why we end up with this tight G2 condition here. Also, whilst I'm on the subject, a way of improving this would be to trim out a much bigger gap and then build a much bigger, more gentle fillet, so something to think about in the future. Okay, now I want to have a look at an alternative shader. That's this tool here. It's called the ISO angle control, and it has a manipulator, so we can turn it around. That yellow circle is its focal point, and you see we can focus it on any part of the model that we want. So for example, if I want to focus on this corner down here, I could do that. Let's just turn the model a bit. And you'll see here that we're getting kind of a sharp curvature, which could be improved upon by redesigning that area of the car. And see how useful it is? It's giving us a lot of information about the weakest part of the model, which is that part there. It's not the thought of the modeler, it's the thought of the designer. It's done in a hurry. We see that we got kind of a sharp feel about things there, and the eyebrow itself is very, very nice. Let's go and examine the eyebrow a bit more. So there we are, the ISO angle shader. Isn't it marvellous? Thank you for watching my video.